Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Traits. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Today, we're exploring into the world of Logies Part 5. Ethnology, the comparative and analytical study of cultures and ethnic groups. Example: an ethnologist might compare traditional practices and social structures among different indigenous communities. Acoustics, the study of sound, including its production, transmission, and effects. Example: an acoustician might design buildings to improve sound quality in concert halls or reduce noise pollution. Toxicology, the study of the effects of toxic substances on living organisms. Example: a toxicologist might investigate how exposure to chemicals affects human health and develop safety guidelines. Nematology, the study of nematodes, roundworms, and their impact on agriculture and health. Example: a nematologist might study how nematodes affect crop yields and develop methods for controlling them. Virology, the study of viruses and their effects on living organisms. Example: a virologist might research how viruses cause diseases and develop vaccines to prevent them. Hydrology, the study of water, including its distribution, movement, and properties. Example: a hydrologist might analyze river systems and groundwater to manage water resources and predict flooding. Geomorphology, the study of landforms and the processes that shape them. Example: a geomorphologist might investigate how glaciers and rivers sculpt landscapes over time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.